So this is a Beko washing machine. This is its model number. So I want to do a quick check. I got it from a client. She said it has a problem. So it turns on, you can see. So when you try to change the program, it doesn't seem to work at all. But then when you close the door, see, it selects a program. Selects a program on its own, then it starts draining. The pump starts running. You see the drainage pump is running. When you try and restart it, let us press for 3 seconds to restart. 1, 2, 3. So nothing happens. When you pause, nothing happens. It continues draining. So that is the problem with this washing machine. That is how it looks like from the inside. This has a problem with the motherboard, the control panel, the control board. Thank you for watching.